Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Flutter web API call failing with a coarse error, then this video is for you. Your code is perfectly fine, it's just the browser that's blocking the request. Let's get into the coarse error and what it is. If your front end and back end are on different origins, let's suppose your front end is working on localhost 3000 while your backend is on localhost 5000, the browser usually blocks these requests and the backend is not allowed to respond. So this is how an error is occurred, and for the fix, it should always be fixed from the backend and not your Flutter front end. So if you follow our channel, there are a few videos that we've made on how to fix this issue from the backend. I'll just run through it quickly. If you're using a Spring Boot course, configuration is shown below. We just need to allow the headers. There are 3 headers that we need to allow: the origins, the methods, and the allowed header parameter. If you're using Node.js, this is how you do it. Again, the same concept, just the different terminologies here. And the third, if you're using a Firebase Cloud Function, this is how you enable corpse there. So again, just letting you know that this error is not because there's an issue with your code, and it should always be fixed from the backend. So this is it for this video. I hope you like the content. Just like the video, share it with your friends and help them out with this issue. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section and I will see you in the next one.